Welcome back, restoration enthusiasts. It's time to embark on the final chapter of our vintage floor lamp restoration journey. If you've missed the first two parts, don't worry, they're just a click away. But for now, let's dive right into part 3. As we began this journey, we started with the basics: cleaning, removing rust, and polishing the metal components to perfection. It's incredible to see how a little elbow grease can breathe new life into these vintage treasures. Now it's time to take things up a notch. We're about to unveil the magic of metal tinting and lacquering. This step adds a whole new layer of character to our lamp, preserving its beauty for years to come. Protect-A-Clear is a virtually invisible coating that works wonders in keeping metal surfaces looking pristine. It shields against tarnish, rust, smudges, fingerprints, and water spots, even on highly polished surfaces. With its scratch-resistant properties, it's ideal for metals that receive frequent handling or high-touch contact. Whether it's railings, jewelry, or other daily use items, Protect-A-Clear ensures your metals stay impeccable. But what if you want to add a touch of color to your metal surfaces? That's where G.J. Nicholas Lacquer dye comes in. These concentrated liquid dyes offer a variety of vibrant colors, from red and gold to blue and green. The beauty lies in their transparency, allowing the base metal surface finish to shine through. These dyes can be blended with clear coatings to achieve the exact shade you desire, making them perfect for toner coatings, simulating antique metal oxide finishes, or transforming white metals into brass or bronze. I begin with a small amount of Protect-A-Clear in a clean bowl, setting the stage for a mesmerizing transformation. Here's a valuable tip for our viewers. When it comes to using dyes, remember that less can often be more. A little goes a long way, and you can always add more later if needed. But that's just the beginning. I add a touch of drama with black Nicholas dye, followed by a drop of fiery red, the richness of gold, the vibrance of lemon yellow, and the sunny hue of canary yellow. With each carefully measured addition, we embark on a journey of color and creativity. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to show your support. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Your support truly makes a difference and helps us bring you more informative and exciting videos like this one. Thank you for being a part of our community. Continue to observe as I meticulously blend these components, revealing the magic of G.J. Nicholas Lacquer dye and crafting a truly exquisite, tailor-made appearance for our vintage lamp. This is where artistic flair intersects with restoration expertise, and the outcome promises to astonish. Notably, Protect-A-Clear's self-leveling feature ensures a flawless, velvety finish. As the lacquer dries, watch the vibrant colors from the dyes come to life in a dazzling display of brilliance. Should you find the need to intensify or refine the color effect, don't hesitate to add more dye. It's all about achieving the exact shade and vibrancy you desire. By carefully adjusting the dye's quantity, you can take creative control and customize your vintage lamp's appearance to perfection. Should you ever decide that the color needs a tweak or an entirely different direction, don't worry. Cleanup is a breeze with acetone. This versatile solvent allows you to gently remove the lacquer finish, providing a clean canvas for your creative vision. It's all about artistic flexibility, ensuring that your vintage lamp reflects your unique style and preferences. So feel free to explore, experiment, and craft a look that truly resonates with you. Creativity knows no bounds. The lacquer finish we're crafting here will result in a rich antique brass hue that exudes timeless elegance. This classic finish not only enhances the vintage charm of our lamp, but also offers lasting protection. And the best part? You can easily acquire all the products we're using in this transformative process at our store, with the link conveniently provided in the video description. It's a one-stop shop for all your restoration needs, ensuring you have everything required to bring your own creative projects to life. Dive into the world of antique brass with us. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand lamp reveal. As we conclude this remarkable journey of restoration and transformation, witness the breathtaking results. Our vintage lamp has undergone a stunning metamorphosis, emerging with an antique brass finish that radiates elegance and charm. The meticulous craftsmanship, the careful selection of colors, and the application of Protecticlear have all culminated in a work of art that seamlessly blends the past with the present. This lamp, once forgotten, has been resurrected into a timeless piece that will undoubtedly be the centerpiece of any room. Its renewed beauty, imbued with history and artistry, serves as a testament to the power of creativity and the joy of restoration. The true richness of colors that now adorn our lamp is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Every shade, every hue has been carefully selected and meticulously applied to create a masterpiece that resonates with history and craftsmanship. As we gaze upon the lamp, we can't help but be overwhelmed by a deep sense of satisfaction. The hours of dedication, the artistic choices made, and the attention to detail have all culminated in a work of art that not only pleases the eye but also warms the soul. It's a testament to the power of restoration, the joy of creative expression, and the fulfillment that comes from breathing new life into forgotten treasures. After witnessing the stunning transformation of our vintage lamp, it's clear that the magic of restoration knows no bounds. We are truly grateful for your company on this remarkable journey of restoration and creativity. Your support and engagement mean the world to us, and we couldn't have done it without you. If you're curious about the products and tools we've used to bring this vintage lamp back to life, you'll find all the links in the video description below. We invite you to explore further, dive into more exciting do-it-yourself projects, and become a part of our growing community. Remember to give that like button little love, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest endeavors, and be sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a moment of inspiration. There's a world of craftsmanship and creativity ahead, and we can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, keep crafting and keep smiling.